In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details to an invoice in Xero. This process is quick and easy and will only take about 5 minutes of your time. So let's get started. First, you need to log into your Xero account. Begin by navigating to the Xero accounting software login page. Once you're there, click on the login option. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. So go ahead and type in your email and password and then hit that login button again to access your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. Now look towards the menu at the top and locate the business drop-down option. This is where you'll find various business-related features. Click on Business, and from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Invoices. Next up, it's time to create a new invoice. On the Invoices page, look for the option to create a new one. Click on New Invoice to open the template where you'll input all required details. Adding the right information here is critical. Be sure to fill in the customer contact information accurately. Include necessary details such as the invoice amount, description of the services or products being billed, and any other relevant data your invoice requires. Once you've filled in these specifics, it's time to ensure that everything is set correctly for invoice settings. Near the top right corner, you'll notice 3 dots beside the Approve an Email button. Click on these dots to reveal more options. From this list, choose Invoice Settings. Within the invoice settings, you'll come across different options. Click on Options, and then you'll need to select Edit. This will allow you to make necessary changes to the invoice template. One important section you'll want to focus on is the Terms and Payment Advice. This is where you'll be adding your bank details. Carefully fill in your bank account information where indicated. This ensures that your clients have all the necessary details to make their payments to you without any confusion. Once you've added your bank details, review everything to make sure it's correct and complete. Double check your entries to avoid any errors that could delay payments. After verifying that all the information is accurate, save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added your bank details to an invoice in Xero. It's that simple and efficient. Xero makes keeping your financial operations smooth and hassle-free, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check back for more useful tips on using Xero and streamlining your business operations.